All right, so now that we're zoomed in, and you're probably thinking to yourself, Ricky, you had a red uke and why is this now black? It's because I realized that on the red uke, you can't really see these sort of lines, the fret markers that distinguish between the frets. So it's easier on this uke to be like 4th string, 2nd fret, which is here. Instead of on the red one, it's just all black, so it's a little bit harder. So it's a little bit visually better for you to see this. But with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the chords that we need for this song. As always, with every ukulele tutorial, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you could see, and then also have me talk you through it. So it's like a double whammy. And also this uke is the tenor size Nova U, so it's the same sort of model as the concert as the red one, but it's in black and in tenor. I'll leave a link again in the description below. But let's go ahead and talk about the first chord, which is the A minor chord. So we need, for the A minor, we're gonna take our middle finger, and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the A minor 7 chord, and this one is the easiest chord to do because you literally don't put your fingers on any of the strings. It's all open string, and you just strum, and it's gonna sound like this. Perfect. The next chord that we need is the B7 chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna go over all strings on the 2nd fret. So it should look like this. And then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this. And it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. It should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C major 7 chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your middle finger and you're gonna place your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the C minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna go over the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string on the 3rd fret. So you're occupying the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st. It's gonna look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the E minor chord, and how I always say it looks like a staircase going down. How we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And finally, you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the good old G chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So it's gonna look like this. And finally, you're gonna take your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it should look like this. Nice little 360. Nice, nice, nice. And it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all the chords we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play, and now let's talk about the strumming that we're going to use throughout the entire song, coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about the strumming that we're going to use throughout the entire song. As always, I will teach you a couple different ways you can play the song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I ain't got no time for strumming. I just picked up the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Please don't add any strumming. I just want to get through the song. I'm learning the chords. No strumming. I got you. The first way that we're going to play this song is going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb, and you're going to strum all strings when you see a chord change, and you're just going to strum for the chord. As always, the full PDF downloadable chord sheet will be available on Patreon. I'll leave a link in the description below. You can sign up. It's a $5 or less monthly subscription, and you get access to the downloadable PDF chord sheets, which are on Patreon. So again, thank you so much for all the support on that. But again, you're just going to do a down strum whenever you see a chord change, and it'll sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern. I'll put the strumming pattern on screen right now, and it's just going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. I have the G chord down in 3, 2, 1. So again, that strumming pattern is going to be a down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So if you do a little bit of the lyrics and the chords together, it's going to be like, my feet are aching, and your back is pretty tired, and we've drunk a couple bottles, babe, and set our grief aside. And you're basically just going to be doing that strumming pattern of the down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, just throughout the entire song. And if you can hear some rain outside, it is raining and thundering, so welcome to Florida. It rains every day, but again, you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord, and it's going to sound absolutely amazing. Alright, so we learned the chords and the strumming pattern. Congratulations, you now know how to play As the World Caves In by Maltese, which is aka a super popular song on TikTok right now on the good old uke. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining, and if you recently have hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the uke fam, the best uke fam on the YouTubes in my personal opinion. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a comment below giving me your song recommendations, suggestions, all that good stuff. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you are playing? It's awesome. I love the color. Well, this is a concert-sized Enya Nova U ukulele. I'll leave a link in the description below. It comes in a bunch of different colors. I have it in orange, blue, black, and this color, red, but it also does come in pink and white. So if you're like, ooh, I like that, link will be in the description below. It also does come in Soprano, concert, and tenor size. This is the concert size, and it is well under $100, so it's absolutely an affordable, great price. Also, links to all of my socials will be at Ricky Somborn for TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon. If you want to add me on any of your socials, I would absolutely love that. Send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also, we do have merch, which is linked in the description below. And again, Patreon, which is that sort of extra I love you, Ricky, I want to support you a little bit more page, which again, you can download the full PDF chord sheet for all the songs that we do on this channel. And again, the full play-along video of the chords and lyrics on screen and me strumming and singing. And this song is already live on the YouTubes, and it's for free, so make sure you go check that out. That is pretty much it. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you. I want to give you a hug. All right. We'll hug it out, and then we'll end the video. All right. 3, 2, 1, hug. Love you.